Ayo, it's Crypto here, and today we're talking about Binance. Now, Binance is actually an exchange that has come out a couple months ago, but it's just recently been getting big. We just recently saw it kind of actually gain some market traction. I know some people are like advertising it and stuff, so that's when you know that things are actually, getting big for the exchange and for the users. Lots of good opportunities here. So what you probably have heard about Binance is it has a few coins that you really can't get anywhere else, and one of these main coins is WTC Walton coin or Walton chain. Now I talk about this coin in a couple of my videos as being lucrative, but a lot of people only know about Bittrex, maybe Cryptopia, and they can't buy WTC there. So I'm going to do like kind of a quick run through of what you would do if you want to buy some WTC, and now this works for any coin, ZRX, DNT. There's tons that you can only get on BNB. You can actually buy Neo Gas on here, buy and sell it, which is great because whatever those dividends you're getting from the Neo that's sitting in your wallet, you can actually sell them here right now if you'd like. Which I'm not personally doing, but if you want to get those dividends in cash, you can do that on Binance. So yeah, once you get to the site, which you just follow the link in the description to take you to Binance.com and sign up with a quick, account information, stuff like that, email, password, get it all run, and then just like any other exchange, you can, just like Bittrex, just like Coinbase, you just send it to your wallet, which is a exchange wallet from Coinbase, from Bittrex, from whatever. I'm not going to go into detail because that's more beginner stuff, but yeah, just go to the basic exchange. The advanced exchange is just kind of a better display and better layout to look at, but the basic one is kind of easier on the eyes in my opinion. But if you want to do some hardcore trading, I'll show you. Then you can go to the advanced page, but yeah, I don't really like it compared to the normal one. So here we are on WTC. Do I have any WTC in this account? 162. So I got some leftover WTC, but no Bitcoin. So let's kind of show you how to buy. So you'll see on the right here, right above my head, this is going to be the list of all the pairs. Now you can see here that this is only a list of Bitcoin pairs right now, but if you go up here, you can see the list of Ethereum pairs, list of Binance BNB, that is the house token or house coin, and then US dollar Tether, which there's only a few markets for. But the thing about Binance is you can buy BNB, which is the Binance coin, using Bitcoin, and then use BNB to pay your fees. And when you use BNB to pay your fees, you actually pay half of 0.1%. compared to the normal 0.1% you'd get if you're paying your fees with Bitcoin or another altcoin. So if you use Binance to pay, or BNB or that Binance coin to pay your fees, which I recommend doing because you really do, if you're doing a lot of trades or kind of those high-end trades, you're definitely going to save a little bit of money there, and it's going to be worth it in the long term just to have some BNB in your account at all times. So yeah, the buy WTC, you see they have a chart. Right here, definitely not the best chart. I would definitely use either like TradingView, which you can see a link in the description to check out, or Coinigy, or even CoinMarketCap has a better chart than this, which is saying a lot. Over on the left, we have our order book, and over down here, kind of in the middle, that's where we're going to be placing our orders. So you can see we have a tab for a limit order and a market order. I'd stick with a limit order if you're a basic buyer. If you know what a market order is, you can do that as well. Set your price according to whatever it's currently selling at, which it looks like it's somewhere around between 77 and 78k, kind of right in the middle. So let's say you want to set a buy order at 78k sats, then you can do that. Set an amount. Let's say you want to buy 50 WTC. You can always just set the max amount you want to buy if you only put a certain amount of Bitcoin into your account. Or you could do like 50% of your total amount, however much you can afford, and then it'll show you the total price in Bitcoin down here, and then you just click buy. And that's going to process a limit order to buy at 0.00078, so you'd see a little order that would pop up right above here. But even though the trade price right now is 78308, so you might have to compete a little bit there. To sell, it's the exact same thing, except you're going to be looking at the buy orders. So, you know, set one, right at 78K, whatever you want to do. This is very simple stuff. It's very similar to Bittrex and Coinage, or not Coinage, Cryptopia, all those other exchanges. Very similar setup. I just thought I would give you guys a quick tour, just so you guys can kind of check it out from my perspective before you guys go and take the time to make an account, transfer Bitcoin over there. Just letting you guys know that I do trust this exchange. I do use this for a fair amount of my coins. I've used this for BNB, for gas, for DNT, for ZRX, for especially WTC. That's where I bought all of my WTC, and a couple others. I can't remember the exact ones, but I was just looking at my wallets, and I do have some other coins that you can only get on Binance, and that's the great thing about Binance, is it does have that variety. And now you can buy a lot of these with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before a lot of these you can only buy with Ethereum, but you can really get a lot of coins on here. You can get TRX, Yo-Yo, stuff like that. So a really good variety of coins you can buy on here. Yeah, because Bittrex has that huge variety. It's really known as kind of a market taker right now, or a market maker, not a market taker. Well, Binance is a little bit of a market taker just because it doesn't have the volume yet, except for these coins that are unique to Binance. So that's really all I have to say about Binance. Definitely check it out. I'd say that. Check out the coins that are on there. Go to CoinMarketCap. Look for the coins that are only on Binance. See if they're worth investing in. And as I said, check it out. Go to my link in the description to go to Binance.com. If you want a trusted link, you don't want to go to wrong links for exchanges. That is scary. So don't just Google Binance. Just go to the link in the description, or a trusted link that you already have, a trusted bookmark, something like that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out all the links in the description for all the information I talked about in the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to go to @OracleOfCrypto on Twitter. Make sure to check out and keep your ears out for the new program that is launching today, Blockchain Education. Absolutely monumental. You haven't seen anything like this before. I absolutely guarantee it. Any of the other Twitter user or YouTube users groups that charge, you know, $80 a month, $100 a month, $500 a month for calls, advice, stuff like that, they're all going to get drowned by this new program. And I will explain to you everything, all the details. I run you through all the features as soon as we publicly launch, which should be like today or tomorrow. So check out and watch out for that video. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the Crypto Oracle.